Well, hello friends, this is Mansi, owner and operator of Die Cuts and More, signing in from Die Cuts and More studio. Today I am here to share with you how to use critter sheets on an envelope or a card. Many of you have asked me to share a tutorial with the floral sheets as you get stuck on how to use these beauties. So today I will show you how to make this envelope from scratch using various dies from DCAM and frangipani floral sheet which is from DCAM as well. So let's start the process. You will need two dies from DCAM, that is the new envelope die and the dotted background die. Both these dies are really very good quality and really versatile. For the purpose of the video I have already cut out the die cuts of both. Here is the envelope which I have cut out using the envelope die, which is a hot seller for us, and I really recommend this die to all of you, though it is compatible only with the Big Shot Plus machine. And this is the dotted background die, which is an evergreen die for me as I reach out for this very often. Today I will be using this die on this envelope. This sending word is a digital cut which I have cut out using my scan and cut machine. So now I will assemble the envelope and leave you with some music. Now I will dab peeled paint and twisted citron distress inks on my mat and spread some water over it. Now I will dab my envelope front on this ink to get a nice inky background. I will now use my heat tool to fasten the process of drying the ink. For added interest, I also used Peacock Feathers 2-step stencil by DCAM. This is a very beautiful stencil, though I am using only one step here. I am not using the other part of the stencil in this video. The inks I have used here are again peeled paint and twisted citron only. So now that our background is ready, I will just speed up the whole process of assembling the envelope and leave you with some music. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do not hesitate to ask me if you have any queries. I will love to answer them.